I just bought some bags of driveway patch. I'm gonna drop them in this hole right here. Looks like somebody already put some in at one point, but it's gotten worse. Oh, look at that. It's a broken PVC pipe. And right over here is the sprinkler system. That is probably the reason why we've got this big crack in the driveway. David patched up a driveway hole today. Looks good.
This stuff out of here.
This is all broken
Right.
pipe, I think, from the sprinklers.
You know what we need to do is once they fix the sprinkler system, have Justin do another cut like he did before. Cut it right there and cut it right here, dig this out, and then we'll patch it. And then that way when we do the driveway later, it'll be like that.
But right now we're patching it because it's a significant bump when you drive over it. And this is the sprinkler system. When we turned that on, water was squirting about 4 feet high and dribbling right across, not just dribbling, going right across the driveway. And the water was going all the way down to the street. Okay, so you're taking all the debris out.
Yeah, that way the patch will take better.
I don't think we have enough patch
No, I don't.
to go across this. We only have 3 bags,
Yeah.
but we can get this big bump right here, and then we can get more patch. That stuff is heavy. It's 50 pounds.
Yeah.
So I don't want to get too many.
Okay.
Really deep. It's gonna take the whole thing. That hole right there.
Here we go.
Even though it's better, it's still very low. And while we're doing it, we might as well do it.
Right. It's going to settle, and then we're going to tamp it. And then we can do the other 2 cracks at the same time.
Right.
Okay. I'll be back.
Okay, I think you might need like 5 bags then.
Probably not.
Okay, we're back. So now what are you doing?
I am going to cover this pipe right here so that the asphalt doesn't go inside of it, because if we uncover it later to reconnect it, can't have it blocked off with asphalt.
Okay. Bags did we use?
Oh no, yeah, I have 2. I bought 5. I used 2.
So we used 5 bags right here in this crack.
Yeah.
It's gonna help a lot.
Oh yeah.
What's next?
See about leveling anything else, and then tamp it.
Do you have like that flat shovel? I don't know what it's called. It's flat on the end. A hoe or something? It's not a hoe.
Who are you calling hoe? I might use one more bag. Maybe here and here. One bag for that both.
You might need 2 bags. It's deeper than it looks.
Yeah, plus it'll settle.
There is definitely a low point there.
There. Whoops.
Good. What is the key?
Oh, the key is to get it as close to the lines as possible, so it sits inside the line, because the more it goes over the line, the more it breaks up.
What line are you talking about?
So wherever there's a cut in a driveway, like right here,
Oh,
so really get right inside those cuts. Tamper time.
I can't even lift that thing.
Huh.
Well, maybe I can, but it's heavy. This is so much better. This hole was so deep, it really did not look it. So we started out with, I think, 5 bags, but it still wasn't quite enough. And we went back and added 2 more bags of fill to it, just to try to level it out a little bit better. It's still sinking. You can see where it's cracked over here. It's still sinking, and over there as well. But this is definitely going to hold us until we can get the driveway redone. So can you see where it's flat over here? We put these boards over the flat spot, and we've been running over them with the car. We did tamp it down, but it needs a little bit more flattening than that. So I'm going to now move these boards to this higher piece over here and flatten that down a little bit too. Gosh, it's really so much better. Here you can see I just moved the boards over. Now as we just drive over it, it will help flatten this area a little bit better. And then we can take the boards away. We need to have some work done on the sprinklers as well. In the meantime, I'm just watering my flowers and garden by hand. Anyhow, there's another sinkhole that has been filled.